Hi my friends and welcome to my beading channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a stunning bracelet if you are a beginner beaded and you want to learn beading. With my easy to follow instructions, you will be able to create a unique and eye-catching bracelet for you or for your loved ones. This beautiful bracelet can be personalized using your favorite colors of the beaded beads and match them with your elegant outfit. So gather your beads, thread, needles and scissors and get ready to have fun beading with me. This is 2 needle project for beginner beaders. You will need the next materials. 4mm beaded beads, 3mm pearl beads, and 11 zero seed beads, and 2 clasps of your choice. To make the bracelet I used wildfire beading thread 006 thick, the length of the thread is 37 inches. Add the clasp to the middle of the thread. Make 3 knots. Add 1 needle to each end of the thread. I use size 10 beading needles. Let us get started. Pick up 1 pearl bead on the left needle and go down on the thread with it. Go with right needle through the pearl bead. Pick up 1 pearl bead on left needle. Pick up 1 beaded bead on left needle. Pick up the right needle and add 1 beaded bead. And also add 1 seed bead. Go with right needle through the beaded bead on left thread. Pick up 1 seed bead on left needle and go down on the thread with it. Pick up 1 beaded bead on left needle. Pick up 1 pearl bead on left needle. Pick up 1 pearl bead on right needle. Go with the right needle through the pearl bead from the left thread. Pick up a pearl bead on left needle and go with it down on the thread. Pick up a beaded bead on the left needle. Pick up 1 beaded bead on the right needle and go down on the thread with it. Pick up 1 seed bead on the right needle. Go with the right needle through the bead from the left thread. Now you know the pattern. Continue adding beads as I shown. After you reach the desired length, add the clasp to the other end of the bracelet. Work first with right needle and go with it through few beads as I shown. Secure the work making 2-3 knots and then cut off the thread. Do the same with the left needle. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get my upcoming jewelry tutorials. Also please leave a comment if you like this bracelet tutorials. Have fun beading!